Hi, this is Evan Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2010 Ford Fiesta, stock number 66770. It's ran from the 7th 2008 to the 8th 2013. It has an HHJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the HHJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand door, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right hand headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, head AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right side sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,